Hi, welcome everybody to our KitKat Sports Arena. So our vision, we took over this KitKat Super League, which was named Lodium Indoor League 3 years ago. And the whole concept of KitKat getting involved was to uplift the community. And whilst doing so was to get kids off the street, was to get them part of sport. So sport brings people together, and as KitKat, we're all about bringing people together through sport because we believe sport's the best avenue for those types of things. Knowing that we have so many suppliers that supply our business, we've asked all of them to come on board in supporting our KitKat Super League. And as you can see around the pitch, every supplier has come on board. Every supplier loves the concept of sport, the concept of uplifting communities. And yes, I mean, with the drop of a hat, every supplier grabbed the opportunity, and you can see the pictures how it looks. What we're doing is we've affiliated ourselves with the club Supersport United and Morocco Swallows. So at any given point in time, without any notification whatsoever, there'll be scouts coming to. We like to make a change without the naked eye seeing it. And we believe that sport makes that happen. I mean, we support golf, we support soccer. The idea is people come and they participate and they get involved. And once they get involved, they're involved. Because it's not about KitKat doing it. It's not up to me or any individual person. Everything's a team effort. And we believe once people start, they become part of something big.